Now on to problem 4. This problem says, at the park, there are 6 friends playing baseball. Some more friends come. Now there are 10 friends playing. A says, how many friends come to play with the first 6 friends? Explain your thinking using a math drawing, numbers, or words. So our story says that there are 6 friends playing baseball. So first we've got a group of 6. Some more friends come. Some more friends come. And now there are 10. You have to tell me how many friends came to play with the first 6 friends that were playing baseball. Explain your thinking using a drawing, numbers, or words. So on the next slide in this space, show me how many more friends came to play with the first 6 to make 10. Good luck.